Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program have to accept an integer n and the program have to print the flash pattern for flash pattern for 2 star n minus 1 lines as the output. So our program have to accept a integer n and we have to print the flash pattern for 2 times n minus 1 lines as the output. So now let us consider for our test case. So n is equal to 3 and the output will be in the form of 1 star 2 star 3 543 star 6 star 7. So this will be printed as our required output. We can see the numbers starting from 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 here, and we are having asterisk also. So this will be the required pattern for n is equal to 3. So if n is equal to 4 means 1 star 2 star 3 7 6 5 4 star 8 star 9, and that's it. So this will be the required pattern for n is equal to 4. And here star 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this will be the required pattern. So now let us implement our logic using Python 3. First let us get the integer n as input from the user, and then let us have two variables called asterisk and num. So here we are having numbers 1 2 3 4 integers 1 2, and here also we are having asterisk. So let us have two variables called asterisk comma num, which is equal to 0 comma 1. So initially it is set to 0 and asterisk 0, num as 1. So now we have to print the num in range 1 comma 2 times n plus 1. So 1 comma 2 times of n minus 1 plus 1. As the last one is exclusive, so we are adding plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So 1 comma 2 times n. So now let us check for our condition. If CTR is equal to that is n means, then you have to print the integers alone. So first let us check for that condition. If CTR not equal to n, then we have to print asterisk times asterisk comma end is equal to empty, and print num comma end. So after printing the asterisk and num, we have to increment the asterisk by 1 and also num by 1. So asterisk plus equal to 1 and num plus equal to 1. So in else part, we will be printing if the CTR is equal to n means we will be printing the numbers 7, 6 and 5 and 4. So the integers will be in range, that is for number in range 2 times n minus 1 comma n minus 1 comma minus 1. So we have to print the number comma end is equal to an empty space, that is no space. After printing the number, we have to increment the asterisk by 1 and to increment the asterisk by 1 and num is equal to num times 2. So if num is equal to 4 means 4 times 2 and we have to print a new line. So this will be our required code for solving today's DC.